Hey everybody, as you guys know that I'm in Ethiopia and I want to share something a little bit. Right now where I am here, this is Skyline Hotel, and like 7, 8, like almost 1 year ago, they did not have this new building. They actually had their old building. One thing that it really forces me to talk about this, it is because I am super proud of what actually Ethiopia is achieving, because this Skyline Hotel is actually owned by Ethiopian Airline, and Ethiopian Airline is owned by the government, right? I say this area that if you go to most of African countries and find the beautiful and great hotels like this, they're usually owned by somebody else. You know, they're owned maybe by private sectors, they're owned by foreigners who are living in our countries, they invest in our countries. But here in Ethiopia, that's a different case, all right? The government is actually owning what you see, which is something to be proud of, because this is actually the most beautiful hotel here in Ethiopia. And that's one of the reasons why I'm always so proud of this country. That's why I always call myself Ethiopian. Even some of you are telling me that you're not Ethiopia, you don't know nothing about Ethiopia. But man, I love this country because of what it stands for, because of what it represents. Right? Whenever I come to this country, I feel proud being African. I feel proud being born from this continent. You know what I'm saying? So this is one of the things that I think all of us we could learn, all of us we could see, and all of us we could appreciate. Yes, there are things that are not going right, just like all the stories of all different countries in the entire continent. Yes, there are those things, but also there are things that are going right. And when we face them, when we see them, we need to appreciate, we need to acknowledge, and we need to applaud. So for today, I just want to inspire you guys that yes, there's a lot of things that are not going right. I understand. So do I, even in my country or any other country. But let's take a moment to look at one good thing that is happening in the country and appreciate that and celebrate that and be proud because of that, and let that cause us to come together as one people and fight for a beautiful country, for a beautiful continent of Africa. I love you guys. See you later.